Today I'm out here using this SUNJOE pressure washer I've had, Pressure Joe. Bought it to pressure wash our RV with because it was enough pressure to clean it, but not enough pressure to really tear it up. Anyways, I hadn't talked about this before. This has been a great pressure washer. I've probably used it, man, I don't know, 100 times. I've even loaned it out to friends. If you're wondering, should you get one of these little electric pressure washers, here's the model number. What is that? SPX3000. It was pretty cheap on Amazon, and I mean, it's lasted. It's done great. It comes with an assortment of nozzles. We don't use too many different nozzles, but you can put soap and detergents and so forth in those bottles there, and it sucks it right in as you're spraying. The only issue that has ever come of this, and I'll show you right here, is we have some duct tape on the handle. And here's why. Not because the handle broke, but because there is an edge. Let me see if I can show it to you. Here it is. See this little plastic edge right here where they put these two pieces of molded plastic together? Well, over here, it was kind of sharp where they put them together. And if you were over here and you were tightening this in, you were ripping off skin off your thumb. And even on this side, sometimes when you would slide your hand in, you would meet, yeah, here, same thing on the inside of here. There was that little edge there, and it would get you in the right spot and just rip some skin off your fingers. So this is just some old duct tape. You know, I just wanted it to stop ripping our skin off. But other than that, this thing has been great, and hopefully maybe they fix that in the newer models. But this has been a great little pressure washer. So if you're in the market and you're wondering, you want something that's, you know, pretty much perfect for washing your car or an RV, or in my case, a big medium duty truck, I totally recommend this. This is a great pressure washer. I'll put a link to this down in the description, so if you want to check this out on Amazon. If they don't still sell this model, I'll find the newer model of this. But like I said, I've had this thing. We bought it, let's see, our RV was in 2014, so we probably bought this in like 2015. It's 2022 now. No problems, no regrets or anything on that. This thing's been great. All right, well, if this helped you make a decision, if you were looking for one of these, you know, please like the video. Check below the video. There is a subscribe button. If you'll subscribe to the channel, that really helps me out. All right, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care.